Today, we're delving deep into the risk of soft drinks. Stick around. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for our latest video. And a like goes a long way in motivating me. Let's go. 10 deadly effects of drink soda. Number 1. Weight gain and obesity. One of the most well-documented effects of soda consumption is its contribution to weight gain and obesity. Soda is loaded with sugar, and regular consumption can lead to an excessive calorie intake, causing you to pack on extra pounds. Number 2. Increased risk of type 2 diabetes. High sugar content in soda can disrupt insulin production and sensitivity, contributing to an increased risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The excessive consumption of soda has been linked to insulin resistance and elevated blood sugar levels. Number 3. Dental problems. Soda is acidic and contains sugars that feed harmful bacteria in your mouth, leading to tooth decay and cavities. The carbonation in soda can erode tooth enamel, making teeth more susceptible to damage. Number 4. Increased heart disease risk. Excessive soda consumption has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease. Too high levels of added sugars in soda can lead to elevated triglyceride levels, hypertension, and an overall higher risk of cardiovascular problems. Number 5. Weakened bones. Soda consumption has been associated with lower bone density and an increased risk of osteoporosis. The high phosphoric acid content in cola drinks can interfere with calcium absorption, leading to weaker bones. Number 6. Kidney stones. Colas in particular contain phosphoric acid, which can contribute to the formation of kidney stones. Regular consumption of cola drinks can increase the likelihood of developing these painful urinary tract obstructions. Number 7. Fatty liver disease. The high fructose content in many sodas can lead to an accumulation of fat in the liver, contributing to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, a serious health condition. Number 8. Gastrointestinal issues. The carbonation in soda can lead to bloating and gas. Additionally, the high sugar and artificial sweetener content can disrupt the balance of gut bacteria, potentially leading to digestive problems. Number 9. Addiction and cravings. Soda, especially when it contains caffeine, can be addictive. Regular consumption can lead to cravings and withdrawal symptoms, making it challenging to quit. Number 10. Increased risk of cancer. Some studies suggest that the caramel coloring used in many sodas may contain carcinogens. While the evidence is not conclusive, it raises concerns about the long-term health effects of soda consumption.